Hi people, so this is me, your friend, and I'm going to spend my Sunday off. So I'm taking you to a beautiful place with my friend. So the place is Yeti, the Himalayan Kitchen, which is in Kalyani Nagar, Pune. If you are in Pune, you should definitely visit this place. Very beautiful, very calm. So overall theme is based on Northeast. You'll constantly hear that music, which is our in Buddhist temple. You'll really feel relaxed here. And yes, the place is very beautiful and you should definitely visit if you are in Pune. And this is me celebrating my birthday with my friends and the beautiful cake with those beautiful flowers. I really enjoyed the place. I was feeling very nice, was very happy with the things which they have done for me. And please look at this beautiful cake. I really like that the color theme and everything was very nice. And this was me cutting my cake and eating. It was a chocolate flavor. I really liked that. And this is me with my friends, my college buddies. I really enjoyed their company with me, and we were talking about all the things. You meet these people once or twice in a year, and you discuss all the things which are going on in your life, and you really enjoyed that company. So these people are those for me. I really like their company, yapping together after a long time. That was the very good part of my life. The moments, everything you enjoy with them. And it is all about the things which you talk to them and everything. And yeah, the struggles, the things which are going on in your life, and these all sharing our little moments of life. That is all friendships are for, right? And that is the thing which we were doing, and I really enjoyed their company. Look at the beautiful place, and there was no disturbance, not at all disturbance. You can talk with your friends, family, everyone. You can go there. The place is very peaceful actually, and talking to your friends is the real thing in your life, and it is constant, right? So it is not that you should meet your friends on daily basis, talking to them, texting them. This is not what you call a friendship, right? Even if you meet them once or twice, you should vibe with them. That is all you need. And I really don't believe in connecting with them on daily basis, sharing all the things daily, because if you are a working professional, you'll definitely not get that much of time to talk on daily basis. But if even if you're meeting once in a year, you should vibe. That is what all I feel about friendship actually. And time flies, but memories are still there. Things which we done in colleges, we talk about them. The people around us, we talk about them and everything. I really enjoyed this time with them, and I wish the time don't fly and we were there logged in a time and talking everything about our career, what is going on with our career, what things we are planning about our colleges, exams, everything. We were talking about those. I really enjoyed that time with them. With them seems funny to me, because even things are not that big, but for us it really matters, and we talk about them, we think on that, we solve those problems, we give suggestions to each other. That is all friendships are for, right? And I feel I am blessed that I have that kind of friend. They are with me when I need them, and they know, they understand me, what kind of person I am, what is my side. For like starting initial days, it was difficult for them to understand me. Even it was getting difficult for me to understand those people. But being an introvert, that is all you need, few friends and everything will be solved. So I'm very proud of them right now, the way they have built themselves, the way they are growing. And when we were teenagers and now the place we are holding, it is a huge difference I'll see in them and also in myself. So I'm really proud the way they have grown. This is me and my friend doing random things, looking at the camera, seeing each other, doing random things and laughing at each other, talking about the things, and again smiling and posing on the camera. And yes, that is how we spend our peaceful time, talking to each other, trying to understand what is happening in our life. And here comes the best part of the day, the food. We tried different kind of dishes. One of them is jhol momos, and it was the mixture of soup and the dumplings. I tried them and was very excited. So these are the veg jhol momo, I'll say. And with my first bite, I felt that it was little blank, but it was looking nice. Overall, it was like average. I won't say it was really good. I tried with chutney as well, but I think that was very spicy. The first bite, it felt very spicy to me, and you'll be able to see that with my expression that it was very spicy. But still, we finish that bowl. And yes, I'll definitely try, but some other place, not from here. Like other dishes were good, but talking about this jhol momo, it was average. And this was chicken thupka which Suraj ordered, and I think he was the most lucky amongst us because he got the best dish. Like he really enjoyed the dish and he was lucky today.
कैसा है
And
बताओ
yeah,
रिव्यूज
so
दो
he finished
जल्दी
actually.
जल्दी
Like he really liked that
अरे shit.
dish. And even I'll try next time in
तेरे
veg.
पेट में taste
But
bud है क्या?
when it comes to northeastern food, I feel that there are more option in non-veg, not in veg. And this is him finishing his bowl and happily smiling.
प्रवीण मला बोलला की आता पार्टी नको देऊ
Okay, so these are the different kind of chutneys which they give you as a complimentary, and this was my favorite dish. So fried paneer, and these are the drinks we order: classic cold coffee, Nutella shake, and La Prey strawberry mocktail. And this is me unboxing my gift. So this is the gift by my friends, and I really liked it. It is like set of 4 perfume, really good. And I think it will be very useful for me because I have never tried perfumes. I really don't like the smell because those are very strong. Considering that, they have picked a best option for me, I'll say. And yeah, the fragrance was not that hard. It was very like mild and also sweet. And these were little babies. I really love those flowers. And the cake, it really did a good match, I'll say. And this is us again clicking picture, talking about random things. And yes, and this is how we ended our day in Yeti. I really like the place, and bye bye Yeti. And going back to my home, and the traffic, it literally makes me tiring. And I don't know why Pune has this problem, but we should definitely work on it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.